All right, you guys, it's Friday. I'm out of work, and it's time to make a little video here. So let's tell you what we're gonna make the video product about. Bam! H2NO from Angelwax. Heck yeah, baby! I've been wanting to try this ever since they put it out. It's a little bit hard to get in the States. And this came from Florida. I'll put the link up in the description in case you guys want to get some of this. So H2NO, it's a waterless, rinseless product. And they say, product designed to encapsulate dirt, safely lift dirt particles from the surface of the vehicle, conserving water without compromising on cleaning power. Developed using the latest polymer technology, gentle pH balance formula, safe to use on all surfaces, leaving a durable, streak-free, high gloss finish. So, rinseless, waterless. Dilutions to this. We use this, let's just round it at 1 to 100. It's very close there. They use milliliters and liters, so it's 100 milliliters to 10 liters in your rinseless wash. It doesn't really have a dilution for waterless. I've seen one video on the internet and he used this at like 1 to 32, and that's usually what I use these products as waterless at, anywhere from 1 to 20 to 1 to 30. So I think we'll go with a 1 to 30, and this is $32.99 for a liter here. That's 33 ounces. So it's about $1 an ounce. That is not counting shipping, guys. So it's a little bit expensive, but you know what? I'm going to show you guys how to use this and save as much as possible. Use it in the least spendy, most frugal way. And let's try it out. All right, guys? All right, guys. So, you know, we're not going to use this in a 5-gallon bucket here. We got a 1 gallon of water in there, and let me tell you, the smell smells like chemicals. All right, solvents. It's very strong. There's nothing sweet or fruity about this at all. They are not playing. This is chemicals right here, cleaning chemicals. All right, guys, as you can see, I am no stranger to the Angelwax family. These are all Angelwax products over here. And if you guys have not used Angelwax products, they are fantastic. Their polishes are unbelievable. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in the bottle. I've got an ounce. Got an ounce. Let's pour it in. That's a nice, thick, sits in there really well. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some of this empty bottle here. Now I'm going to fill it with some water, with some product solution here. So we're going to try this. Now, mind you, this right here is at 1 to 100. We'll try this at pre-spray, and then we'll bump it up a little bit, and we'll use it at 1 to 30 later on. All right, let's come over here and grab some towels. All right, I just did some laundry. I've got a few extra towels here. We've got these are the plush towels, Rag Company microfiber plushes here. Let's start with one inside there. I don't see this as very surfactant heavy. A little bit of, oh, there we go. Got a little bit of sudsing there. Nothing really crazy. I got myself a little smaller size. This is an Auto Fiber Dreadnought. It's kind of like the smaller mid-size one. Very good towel, twisted loops, fantastic over at Auto Fiber. All right, guys, so at $1 an ounce for the Angelwax product, we've only used 1 ounce or $1 for the car wash so far. I can afford that for a good product. I'll pay $1 an ounce or $1 a car wash. I know some other products are pennies, but if this is as good as I hear, It's well worth $1 a wash. Come on, guys. Let's take it to my car. It's sitting out here in the sun. Oh, today's probably 90 something. It's starting to get a little bit cooler here. Let's clean this window in the sun for you. Oh yeah, that comes right off. Look at that. Wow. That's real easy. Oh yeah. Super nice, super easy. Okay guys, we're outside across the street at the old tester car, 101 dilution. In the sun. This has been sitting here all morning. It does not move. And this car is pretty hot right now. I can feel it underneath the towel. Nothing gets done to this car, just a little wash by me now and then. And it feels nice and slick, guys. I'm telling you, this Angelwax stuff's good. Look at that. This is how dirty it is. Nice and clean. Windows in the sun. Okay guys, so far what I'm noticing is very good cleaning power. Even though you don't see the dirt, it is very evident on the towel. All right, it's picking it up very well, and no streaking afterward. In the sun, no problem. Probably 96 degrees, no problem. The car sits out there all day long, that car. Also, the slickness, fantastic slickness on there. Loving it, feels very good. And you know, I mean, the product just works, and it works. It works really well. All right, let me grab this. We're at 100-to-1 dilution in here. I've got my wheel towel. Let's check this out. Let's do this wheel here. Oops. I'm spraying everything down. We got our dirty towel, guys. We're just wiping, cleaning. All right, and at the end, we do a little tire wipe. Oh, it's slick. It's so slick under my hand, though. Wow, looks fantastic. All right, how about the hot wheel in the dirt? I mean, in the sunlight. Same thing, spray it down. Cleans nicely. Alright, I need to get more on the tire here. Flip the towel a little bit, get some of this. Wow. Fantastic. That's in the sunlight, guys. Very hot. Here's the rubber. Looks pretty clean. You could put something on it now. Decently clean. This feels good. All right, I'm gonna empty this out. This is a 1-to-100, so we're done with that pre-spray. It works fantastic. The Rinseless Wash, we'll keep playing with it, but I'm gonna make this at 1 to 30. So I'm gonna use a ½ ounce into this 16-ounce bottle, basically. Okay guys, we've got a ½ ounce here. Let's put it in this clean, this is tap water from the side. And now a ½ ounce into 16 ounces, we'll just call it 15, is a 1 to 30 mixture. Okay, I saw the owners. They live down that street over there. 2 houses over, so they kind of just throw their car here. I saw them leave right now. Let's do it. All right, here's the car. We're gonna do this fender 1 to 30. All right, let's get my towel here. I tell you what, oh my God, let me spray a little bit on here. Even though the neighbor's car is a pile, I'm still gonna treat it. Oh, it's so slick. Gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that's dirty, man. This feels amazing underneath here, guys. Wow. Wow. Wow, you guys, this stuff's phenomenal. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right there. If you can't tell already, I am really liking the Angelwax H2NO. It is fantastic. And we are using it in this first part at about 1 to 100. And that is in the Rinseless Wash and the Waterless Wash. At the end of the video, I remade the Waterless Wash at 1 to 30, and boy, is that slick, super slick. That's the ratio you want to go at for the Waterless Wash. I'm cutting the video here. This is part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where I bring the neighbor's car over and I show Dag, the neighbor, how to do a rinseless wash. He's very interested, and I'll let you guys see his reactions to it and what he thinks, what his questions are, and everything that goes with it. It's really pretty awesome. And stay tuned for part 2. Angelwax H2NO. This is no joke, you guys. Go ahead and order it now. I'm gonna tell you, just order it now so you have it, and when I put the second part out, maybe it'll be arriving at your house. I'll put a link to this in the description of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for part 2. All right, Dag, any questions, thoughts? What are your thoughts on it?